Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices and then running quick diagnostics so you know where the problem sits. First, make sure the peripheral has at least 20% battery and is within roughly 10 meters because low power or range kills links. Once done, toggle Bluetooth off and on and cycle airplane mode to flush radios. You open Bluetooth settings to inspect the paired list and status icons. This tells you if the host sees the device, which directs the next steps. You now reset the software side to remove stale pairings and corrupted states that block reconnection. First, forget the device in system settings and reboot both units so cache is clear. Next, update the host Bluetooth driver or peripheral firmware using the manufacturer's updater. Mismatched stacks frequently cause dropouts. If problems persist, clear the Bluetooth cache on mobile or reset network settings. This removes low-level configuration errors. Make sure to repair after updates. You finish by isolating and eliminating remaining physical or device-specific causes so the connection is reliable. Test the peripheral with a second host. If it works there, focus on the original host's Bluetooth stack. Once done, reduce interference by moving away from crowded Wi-Fi channels, USB 3 ports, and microwave ovens because RF noise degrades link quality. As a final remedy, perform a factory reset on the peripheral, repair freshly, and test. If it still fails, one quick troubleshooting tip. Try
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.